Hello friends, I am back to continue our session on organic chemistry. We will be continuing with the board questions of organic chemistry, and today will be our concluding session. Okay, so we are going to complete all the board questions till 2020. So we had in the last session we had completed till 2014. So we will continue from 2015. Okay, so open the PDF where the questions are given, so you can refer there. Okay, so starting with 2015. Select from the list the gas that matches the description given in each case. So the list of gases are ethane, ethene and ethyne. So you have to select from these. One is this gas is used for welding purposes, that's ethyne. This gas is also a saturated hydrocarbon, so ethane. Then next is choose the most appropriate answer for each of the following. Identify the statement which does not describe the property of alkenes. First is they are unsaturated hydrocarbons. Now we'll move to the next page. Second is they decolorize bromine water. They can undergo addition as well as substitution reactions. They undergo combustion with oxygen forming carbon dioxide and water. So C is the correct option because they don't undergo both addition and substitution, only addition. So the C answer is correct. Next, state one relevant observation for each of the following. First is when the gaseous product obtained by dehydration of ethyl alcohol is passed through bromine water. So when ethene is passed through bromine water, the reddish brown color of bromine is discharged, that is it turns colorless. Okay. Next question is give balanced chemical equations for the following conversions. First is ethanoic acid to ethyl ethanoate. So this is a typical esterification reaction. Okay. So CH3COOH plus C2H5OH in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid will give you CH3COOC2H5 plus H2O. Next is calcium carbide to ethyne. So CaC2 plus 2H2O will give CH triple bond CH, that's ethyne, plus CaOH whole twice. Next, sodium ethanoate to methane, lab preparation of methane. CH3CONA plus NaOH in presence of CO. So this mixture is called soda lime, will give you methane plus Na2CO3. Next, identify the functional group by circling them. Now first compound is given as dimethyl ether. This is the structural formula. Now ethers are not in syllabus, but this was there earlier, so we have made. So you circle this portion. This is a functional group and it is a ether. Now again ketones are not there in syllabus. This is acetone and IUPAC name is propanone. So CH3 C double bond O CH3. So this is the functional group which is called ketonic. Okay. Next, name the following. Process by which ethane is obtained from ethene, catalytic hydrogenation. Then a hydrocarbon which contributes towards greenhouse effect, methane, a distinctive reaction that takes place when ethanol is treated with acetic acid, esterification. The property of the element by virtue of which atoms of the element can link to each other in form of long chains, catenation. Reaction when an alkyl halide is treated with alcoholic KOH, dehydrohalogenation. Okay, we'll turn to the next page. Next is now 2016, fill in the blanks. Conversion of ethene to ethane is an example of hydrogenation. Yes, if you remember, it's catalytic hydrogenation in presence of nickel as the catalyst or platinum palladium at 300 degrees Celsius. Okay. Next is write balanced chemical equations for preparation of ethanol from ethyl chloride. So C2H5Cl plus NaOH aqueous. This is important. You boil it, you will get C2H5OH plus NaCl. Then next, identify the term or the substance in each of the following. Catalyst used in the conversion of ethyne to ethane, nickel. Type of reactions alkenes undergo, addition reactions. Okay. Next, you have to write the IUPAC names for the following. So this is 1, 2 and 3. 3 so prop, double bond so ene, so prop 1 ene. It's between 1 and 2. Even if you write propene, it is fine. Now next one, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 so bute is a triple bond, so it has to be ine and it is in between the second and third. So bute 2 ine. Now this CHO is what functional group? Very good. Yes, aldehyde. Okay, so this is 1 and 2, so eth, so ethanol it will be. Okay, so this is ethanol. Now next question, write balance equations for, first is burning of ethane in plentiful supply of air, means in excess of air. So 2C2H6 plus 7O2 will give you 4CO2 plus 6H2O. Next is action of water and calcium carbide. Now if you observe, every year this reaction has been asked. CaC2 plus 2H2O, ethyne plus calcium hydroxide. Then third is heating of ethanol at 170 in presence of sulfuric acid. This is lab preparation of ethene. So C2H5OH in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid at 170 degrees Celsius will give you ethene, CH2 double bond CH2 plus H2O. Okay. Then next question is, give the structural formula of the following. So you have been given the names, and from that you have to draw the structural formula. If nothing is mentioned, always better to draw the branch structural formula. So now 2-methyl propane. So prop means first you will put 3 carbon atoms, number them 1, 2 and 3. Now on the second you are having methyl. So the second group you put methyl, and remaining valencies satisfy with hydrogen. Okay, by now you should know that. Ethanoic acid will be C double bond OH and CCH3. Okay. Then butane to all. Butane means 4 carbon. Number them. Second position you will put the OH, all. So OH, and remaining valencies with hydrogen. So we'll move to the next page now. Okay. Next is compound A is bubbled through bromine dissolved in CCl4 as follows. Now you have to identify this compound A. Through this compound A, what we are doing? We are passing bromine in CCl4, and you are getting this product CH2Br, CH2Br. So now you have to draw the structure of A. Now since you are getting a single bond, this has to be ethene. Yes, if double bond was there, this would be ethyne. Okay, we have done this addition of halogens across the double bond in the reactions. If you remember, you have to go back to the reactions if you haven't revised them. So structure of A is ethene. So you draw the structure CH2 double bond CH2. Okay, you can draw the full branch structure also. State your observation during the reaction. So what will be your observation? Reddish brown color of bromine in CCl4 is discharged. That is, it is turning colorless. That is a test for unsaturation. Okay, clear? So we'll move on to the next year, that is 2017 now. Fill in the blanks from the choices given in the brackets. The compound formed when ethene reacts with hydrogen is. Now when ethene is reacting with hydrogen, do you remember what is that reaction called? Yes, very good, catalytic hydrogenation. Okay, so amongst the option it will be ethane, C2H6. Okay, and the catalyst is nickel or platinum or palladium at 300 degrees Celsius. So next question, choose the correct option. If the molecular formula of an organic compound is C10H18, it is what? Whether it's an alkene, alkane, alkyne, not a hydrocarbon. Now C10H18, now you have to substitute N equal to 10 in the general formula. Okay, so only in the formula of alkyne, CnH2n minus 2. So 2n is what? 10 into 2, 20, minus 2, 18. This will get satisfied. So this will be alkyne. Okay, you have to substitute N equal to 10 in all the 3 formulae, alkane, alkene and alkyne, and see in which formula you get this. Okay, so it is alkyne. Clear? This is important. Such questions are always asked, or rather repeated also. Identify the substance underlined, an organic compound containing COOH functional group. So it will be acetic acid. Okay. Now continuing here, write balanced chemical equation for, first is preparation of methane from iodomethane. So iodomethane is CH3I plus 2H in presence of zinc copper couple in alcohol. This is the hydrating agent. It will provide hydrogen. So this giving you methane plus hydrogen iodide. Next, now identify the term or the substance based on the descriptions given below. Ice-like crystals formed on cooling an organic acid sufficiently. So they are called as glacial acetic acid. Now we have seen why it is called glacial acetic acid also. Okay, so that give reason also is important. Next, hydrocarbon containing a triple bond used for welding purposes. So ethyne. property by virtue of which the compound has the same molecular formula but different structural formula. So it is isomerism. The compound formed when two alkyl groups are linked by C double bond O group. This is ketones. Now earlier ketones, ethers, all were in syllabus. Okay, so those questions are also there. But it's no harm in just knowing it in case they ask, but mostly they will not ask. Next is give balanced chemical equation, preparation of ethane from sodium propionate. So this is again the laboratory method for preparation of ethane. So sodium propionate is CH3, CH2, COONA plus NaOH, that mixture called soda lime, giving you C2H6 plus Na2CO3. Okay. Next is action of alcoholic KOH on bromoethane. So C2H5Br plus alcoholic KOH, when you boil it, you will get ethene, CH2 double bond CH2 plus KBr plus H2O. Okay. Do you remember what is this reaction type called? Yes, very good. It is called as dehydrohalogenation. And this particular reaction is called what? Decarboxylation reaction. Okay. So all the types you should remember. Next, state one relevant observation: addition of ethyl alcohol to acetic acid in presence of sodium. We'll just turn to the next page. In presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. So that is, observation is a fruity sweet smelling compound ester, that is ethyl acetate is obtained. So see, this particular thing asks for observation, reaction, fill in the blanks. So some question on esterification reaction, catalytic hydrogenation is always asked. Next is draw the structural formulae for each of the following. 2,3-dimethyl butane. Now butane means first you will put 4 carbons, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then number them 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the second and third methyl group. So put on the second methyl group, third also methyl group. Now you can put this down also, no problem. Okay, and now remaining valencies you satisfy with hydrogen. 1 gone, so 3. 1, 2, 3, so only 1 H, 1, 2, 3, again 1 H, and 1 gone, so 3 H required. Okay. Diethyl ether, again not in syllabus, CH3, CH2, O, CH2, CH3. Ethyl group attached by oxygen. Next is propionic acid. Propionic means 3 carbons, so 1, 2 and 3. And on the first you will put the C double bond OH, COOH, this is the functional group. And remaining valencies you satisfy with hydrogen, H, 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 H. Okay. So moving on to the next year, that is 2018. Choose the correct answer from the options given. First, the organic compound which undergoes substitution is. Now first you have to understand which type of organic compounds undergo substitution. Saturated hydrocarbons means alkanes. Now you have to identify which is an alkane out of this. C2H2, C2H4, C10H18, C2H6. So C2H6 is an alkane. Okay, that's ethane. So answer is D. Next, IUPAC name of dimethyl ether. Again, this is not in syllabus, but we are just solving all questions. It is methoxymethane. Okay, it is called as dimethyl ether is called methoxymethane. So that is the correct option, methoxymethane. Next, give one word or the phrase for the following statements. Tendency of an element to form chains of identical atoms, catenation. So either in this form, or sometimes you may be asked to define catenation also. Okay, so all very important aspects. Now give the IUPAC name for the following. What is this? HCHO. So it's an aldehyde. It's first in the homologous series of aldehydes. So it is methanol. Now this 1, 2 and 3 and OH. So propanol, all. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So bute. Double bond between second and third. So butene. Okay, butene. Moving on to the next question. Write the structural formula of the two isomers of butane. Now enough times we have done this, so you can write refer notes. Isomers of butane we have done in the Zoom session also and during the regular video session also. That is, you will draw the structure of butane or N-butane. One is the IUPAC name and the other will be 2-methyl propane, okay, the branched isomer. So two structures you will draw. Now name the gas produced during the reaction of ethanol and sodium. So here the gas produced is hydrogen. And do you remember what is the other product along with hydrogen? Yes, very good. Sodium ethoxide. So sometimes that is also asked. Okay, the product form is sodium ethoxide and gas liberated is hydrogen. Okay. Now you have to complete this and give the following information. Now general formula is given to you. You have to give the IUPAC name of the homologous series, the bond and the IUPAC name of the first member of that series. Now CnH2n minus 2 is general formula of which? Very good, yes, alkynes. So what is the bond present? Carbon-carbon triple covalent bond, and first member is ethyne. CnH2n plus 2 will be alkanes, yes, good, single covalent bond, and the first member is methane. Okay, remember the first member is methane here. Now we'll move to the next page. Now moving on to the next question. Compound X having vinegar like smell when treated with ethanol in the presence of acid Z gives a compound Y which has a fruity smell. The reaction given is C2H5OH plus X in presence of Z gives Y plus H2O. Okay. Now I hope you have understood the question. Now you have to identify Y and Z. Now this is a characteristic esterification reaction. So Y will be an ester and Z is in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. So Y is that ester, ethyl acetate, CH3COO-C2H5. This I have written is the IUPAC name, ethyl ethanoate, and Z will be concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, now you have to write the structural formula of X. Now ester is formed by reaction with an alcohol and, yes, very good, carboxylic acid. So X will be, so the next question is write the structural formula of X. Now you know that esters are formed by the reaction of an alcohol with a carboxylic acid. So X has to be acetic acid. So X is CH3COOH. So you write the full branch structural formula, that is CH3 C double bond OH. Okay, and name the above reaction. So it's called esterification. Now give 5 stars to this. Now this can be there in your school test also. It's very important. Okay. Now moving on to the next year, that is 2019 now. Choose the correct answer from the options. Hydrocarbon, which is a greenhouse gas. So options are acetylene, ethylene, ethane and methane. So correct answer is methane. Next, fill in the blanks with the choices given brackets. Conversion of ethanol to ethene by the action of concentrated sulfuric acid is an example of dash. Options are dehydration, dehydrogenation and dehydrohalogenation. So the correct answer is dehydration. If you remember, dehydration of alcohols is at 170 degrees by concentrated sulfuric acid will give you ethene. Then substitution reactions are characteristic of alkenes, alkanes and alkynes. So correct answer will be alkanes. Okay. Now moving on to the next question. Write balanced chemical equations for. First is chlorine gas is reacted with ethene. So addition of chlorine across the double bond. So CH2 double bond CH2, that is ethene, plus Cl2 is in presence of CCl4. So you have to add that chlorine across the double bond. So CH2 single bond CH, single bond CH2Cl. So 1,2 dichloroethane. Okay. Next is write the IUPAC name for the following. Now this is what 1, 2 and 3. So prop and triple bond. So ine, and it's between 1 and 2. So prop 1 ine. Even if you write propine, you get the marks. Okay. Now this second one, can you identify this functional group? CHO means, yes, very good, aldehydic. So it's an aldehyde. So 1 and 2, 2 carbons, so eth. So it will be ethanal. So you replace the E of the alkane by the suffix of the functional group, that is al. So ethanal. Okay. You have to revise the rules of nomenclature again so that you are able to name them efficiently and correctly. Next is, what is the special feature of the structure of ethyne? So ethyne will be characterized by the presence of a carbon-carbon triple bond. Then name the saturated hydrocarbons containing 2 carbon atoms. So saturated hydrocarbon with 2 will be ethane. Okay, we'll move to the next page now. Next is give the structural formula of acetic acid. So acetic acid CH3 C double bond O OH. Then arrange the following in logical sequence: ethane, methane, ethene and ethyne in increasing order of molecular weights. Now they have been you've been given the atomic weights H1 C12. Now you have to calculate the molecular weight of each and then arrange them in increasing order. So least is for methane. So methane, ethyne, ethylene and ethene. Okay, in that order. Ethylene and ethene is one only, and ethane. Okay, so that's the correct order. Then write balanced chemical equations. Ethene from bromoethane. So again this is lab method. So ethyl bromide C2H5Br or bromoethane plus alcoholic KOH. You boil it, you will get CH2 double bond CH2 plus KBr plus H2O. Now again same reaction, ethyne using calcium carbide. So CaC2 plus 2H2O will give you ethyne plus calcium hydroxide. Methane from sodium acetate. So sodium acetate CH3COONA. Sodium acetate is also called as what? Sodium ethanoate. Yes, should remember that also. Plus NaOH, presence of CaO, that's soda lime. Methane CH4 plus Na2CO3. Then name the following organic compounds. The compound with 3 carbon atoms whose functional group is carboxyl. Now this is acetone, again not in syllabus because that C double bond O group in the center is called a carboxyl. So this is not in syllabus. Then the first homologue whose general formula is CnH2n. CnH2n is the general formula of which compounds? Very good, alkene. So the first member will be ethene. Remember it's ethene and not methane. Okay. The compound that reacts with acetic acid to form ethyl ethanoate, ethyl alcohol. Typical esterification reaction. The compound formed by complete chlorination of ethyne. Complete, so the triple bond will get converted to double and double to single. So 1,1,2,2 tetrachloroethane. Okay, you can go back to the reactions and again revise it. Name the gas evolved in each. Ethene undergoes hydrogenation reaction, so that is ethane. Okay, now coming to our last year, that's 2020, this year's board paper. Choose the correct option. Organic compound having a triple carbon bond is. Now it will be C3H4 because that only satisfies the formula CnH2n minus 2. Okay. State your observation. Piece of sodium metal is put in ethanol at room temperature. So you will get a brisk effervescence of the gas liberated. Now this will extinguish a burning splinter but will burn with a pop sound because gas is hydrogen. So we'll move to the next page. Okay, continuing with the questions. Next is write balanced chemical equations. So first is producing ethane from bromoethane using zinc copper couple in alcohol. So C2H5Br plus hydrogen in presence of zinc copper couple in alcohol, ethane C2H6 plus HBr. Then complete combustion of ethane, 2 C2H6 plus 7 O2 giving you 4 CO2 plus 6 H2O. Then next is draw the structural formula of 2,2-dimethyl pentane. So 2,2-dimethyl pentane means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you will draw, and on the second you put 2 methyl groups. Okay, and the remaining valencies by hydrogen. So this is the fully branched structure which I have shown. This is condensed. Okay, methanol CH3OH, so CH3OH. Then next is isopropane. So isopropane will be this 3, you just write it like this, followed by 2. Then write the IUPAC names for acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde, I mean this is the structure and you have to write the IUPAC name. So it will be, yeah, this is the common name. So IUPAC name will be ethanol. Okay, just write that ethanol here. Okay, this is the structure which we have drawn. So put ethanol here. And acetylene, the IUPAC name will be ethyne. Okay, so write here ethanol and ethyne. Next is give reason. Soda lime is preferred to NaOH in lab preparation. Soda lime is a mixture of calcium oxide and sodium hydroxide. It is not deliquescent like NaOH and does not attack glass, so it is preferred. Okay. Then give one word. Reaction in which carboxylic acid reacts with alcohol in presence of a dehydrating agent such as concentrated sulfuric acid. So answer is esterification reaction. And draw the structures of the isomers of pentane. We have done it, so you can write Rn. So 3 isomers you will draw, that is N-pentane, iso and neo. Now we will move to the next page. Okay, now this is our last question, that is copy and complete the following paragraph using the options given in brackets. Alkenes are homologous series of unsaturated hydrocarbons characterized by the general formula CnH2n, and they undergo addition reactions and also undergo hydrogenation to form alkanes. Okay. So now with that we have completed all the board questions starting from 2006 to 2020, that is 2020. All the board questions I have made you write so that you can refer to them properly. So you go through all those questions thoroughly, even the video sessions which covers all the aspects which are there in syllabus, because your Virav Dalal textbooks gives many reactions which are not in syllabus. So I suggest that you refer only to the video sessions and the Zoom sessions, whatever assignments I give you in that, and go through them properly. Okay. So whatever doubts you have, we will discuss in the next Zoom session. Okay. So happy studying and stay safe and healthy in the house. Thank you.